Hello students, as you can see in this worksheet, you have been told to fill in with the proper preposition. Okay, as you all know, prepositions are the joining words in the sentence. See the first sentence. The dog is sitting dash the box. So what you will do, just look at the picture. Where is the dog? The dog is sitting where? In, on, under, near, between. Where is the dog sitting? The dog is sitting in the box. If the dog is sitting inside the box, as you can see, you have to put in the box. If the box was closed and it was sitting on that, then you will put on. But the box is open and it is sitting inside. So you will put the dog is sitting in the box. The next one is the pen is dash the table. Now see the location of the pen. Where is the pen? Yes, it is on the table. So you will put on the table. Okay, let's move on. The next one is the cat is sitting dash the table. Where is the cat? The cat is sitting under the table. So you will put the cat is sitting under the table. So you will use the preposition under. So let's move on. Next one is the table is dash Kate and Anne. Where is the table? The table is between. Both of them are sitting far from each other and in between the table has been located. So you will say the table is between Kate and Anne. Okay. Next one is the papers are dash the pen. Where are the papers? You can see the location of the paper. The papers are dash the pen. The papers are near the pen, right? It is near to the pen. Next, the cups are dash the table. Where are the cups? Under the table? On the table? No, the cups are on the table. So you will put on. Okay.